Hello everyone, there is big update from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring 2021 pass out batch. In this video we will see what is job role, qualification, eligibility criteria, job location, then we will see interview questions, and in last we will see how to apply. So let's get started. So first, job role is backend or full stack developer. It will be based on your skills, and qualifications should be BE, BTech, MCA, BSc, MSc, BCA. These are the qualifications, and stream should be CS or IT only. Means mechanical, civil, and etc. All other branches are not eligible. Only CS and IT branches are eligible. And year of passing should be 2021 only. And salary package will be 4 LPA plus, and job location will be Belgium, and venue location will be virtual. Means online test and interview and all other process will be virtual. Now we will see interview questions. So for this job role, means to clear the interview you should have at least command of one of the following language, like in Java, C Sharp, .NET, Angular, React.js, Spring, etc. And you should have basic and advanced knowledge of DBMS. Also you should have knowledge of MySQL queries, and try to learn some basic concepts of HTML and CSS. Also you should know the difference between DOM, real DOM and virtual DOM, and DOM manipulation, etc. Like you know that React.js works on virtual DOM, and AngularJS works on real DOM. So this is the example, and you can find more on Google about this. And you should focus on your resume. So mention only those things on in your resume which you really know. And you should you must prepare your final year project. Now we will see how to apply for this job. So let's get started. So this is the official website of Capgemini. So now here you can read all the stuff, and now you have to click on apply now. You will find the link on the description. When you will click on apply now, then you will be redirected to this page. Then you have to fill first name, last name, email, phone number, your LinkedIn account. Well, it's not compulsory, but if you have, then please mention it. And some message, and CV, cover letter is not mandatory, and others you can mention here your certificate, intern certificate, and other things. And then yeah, you have to click on yes or no, like do you have a work permit for Belgium. As I already told you, that job location will be Belgium. So you if you don't have work permit for Belgium, so don't need to worry. You can simply put on no, and you can apply for. Now you have to last they are asking how did you hear about the position. There you can select. Now last you have to click on this checkbox, then you have to submit. When you will click submit, then you will see this page like this: thank you for your application. And also you will get a email verification, and in email verification you will see like this: thank you for your application. And they already mentioned that if you don't have any feedback from us within 3 weeks, then it is fair to assume that we don't have currently matching opportunities for you. It means they will not send you rejection mail. If you will not get any response within 3 weeks, then it's mean you are rejected. Means they are not moving further from your with your candidature. So I think I explained everything. Yeah. If you think this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more such updates. Thank you for watching this video.